Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. It's my first time doing an unboxing video, so we'll see how it goes. So I recently purchased the Hakko FX-888D soldering station. I've got a few projects I'm going to be working on, trying to modify some Game Boys, so I needed a better soldering station than just the cheap soldering iron you get at a big box store. So we have the instruction manual for the Hakko FX-888D, packing list and part names, and instruction manual. So here's packing materials. Everything. In the top section we have our what I will call the wand. It is the cord assembly according to this. Comes with a tip pre-installed. Cable. This is the receptacle, cleaning sponge, iron holder and base, and here's the unit, power unit itself. I will say from the pictures, my friend said that he chose not to get this because it looks like it's a toy, and I don't disagree with that, but the bulk of it is pretty substantial. It's made out of metal, that's plastic, but you can tell there's a lot of weight in this. They do make a silver model, but I've not seen anywhere that actually makes the silver model. So blue and yellow it was, but it was about $20 cheaper than the other model that I was looking at. And I'll only be doing a few things here and there, but I did need the better capabilities of this versus a cheaper version. So that's all there is to this unboxing. I might show some use of it in a future video, but this is the Hakko FX-888D in blue and yellow.